Hello everyone. So welcome back to this channel, and in this video session we'll discuss how we can clear the program message queue. So we can basically write a CL program and we can simply use a CL command to do this. So that command is remove message command. So basically we can use this command to remove the messages or clear the program message queue. You can see here. So the clear star all. So basically we are going to clear all the messages in the program message queue. So here we can see established relationships, that is star previous, star same, or in case star same, or we can specify the call stack entry as well, the name of the program or the module. Uh, so this way we can do this. So whenever this program runs, it will basically clear, suppose we specify the previous, it will clear all the uh, messages in the program queue which resides in the previous call. So basically, let's say BGM1 gets called before this program and OV2024 underscore 3. So all the messages, program messages will get cleared from that program. So this is the simple command that we can use, and I'm not going to run this. You can use this command to clear a program message queue at your end. So that's all here. Thank you.